Okay, this video is specifically for people who have neck pain, जिन्हें गर्दन में दर्द है, और related to exercises. Certainly channel पे videos already uploaded है, but हम यहाँ समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि दर्द का सोर्स क्या है, उसकी जड़ क्या है. Okay, so one is certainly physical source, mechanical source, यानी मैं अपने बॉडी के अलाइनमेंट कैसे रखती हूँ, हाउ इज़ माई पोस्चर, हाउ एम आई सिटिंग, मैं कैसे उठती हूँ, बैठती हूँ, काम करती हूँ, फ़ोन कैसे यूज़ करती हूँ, when I'm sitting on car or in the car or driving or using laptop or working or reading or doing whatever in my day-to-day activities. How do I carry out my day-to-day activities? अब एक बार गलत करने से नहीं होगा कुछ, but if it's my habit and I don't know, like there are few people who sit ऐसे ही बैठ के काम करते हैं ना, they have that habit of turning on one side. So you, if it is a habit, तो ये साइड की मसल्स भी टाइट हो जाती है, यहाँ की स्ट्रेच वीकनेस में चली जाती है. एट द सेम टाइम अंदर दो जॉइंट होते हैं, मन के फैसेट जॉइंट हम बोलते हैं उसे, सो वो आप कंप्रेस करते हो, वो आप इरिटेट करते हो, एंड देन यू कैन हैव problems. Okay, so that's mechanical source, and there is one more source which can be missed out, and that is your thoughts and emotions, जो आंखों से दिखता नहीं है, but whatever happens, you know, day to day, throughout the day or in your life, it is impacting you in a certain way, or वो specific thought patterns can lead to specific health issues. Here we are only talking about neck pain. Okay, very very specific. Usually आप दोस्तों में भी हम बात करते एक दूसरे से, या डॉक्टर्स के पास भी जाते हैं, तो एक ब्रॉडर डायमेंशन में उसे डाल दिया जाता है और बोलते हैं कि हाँ, यू नो, वी आर गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस एंड दिस इज रिलेटेड टू स्ट्रेस. इतना काम है, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. और अभी तो यू नो द सिचुएशन इज वेर इन घर का भी काम है, एंड we are working from home and there is no schedule, so everything is, you know, clubbed, so there is, the routine has gone haywire, and then we feel that yeah, we are really stressed, and that's giving the problem. But stress is a very very broader label to it. There are specific thought patterns that we are going to see, which are related to neck pain here. Okay, before that I would also say that there is one more thing that I remember always, जो मेरे mentor ने मुझे बोला था when I was doing my masters in physiotherapy at All India Institute of Physical Medicine Rehab Center, Mumbai, and she had said, Dr. Karen, that जब है ना बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स यू नो आते हैं, एंड दे से दैट जब बहुत गुस्से में होते हैं ना, तो what we do is, you know, especially जब हम बोल नहीं पाते और मन में ही you know पूरा गुस्सा, you know, you keep it in your mind. Especially there was one patient जो बहू थी, जिसको तकलीफ थी, और जो सासू माँ है वो पीछे से ताने मार रही है, and she is not able to give that back cancer, and what she is doing is, in her mind, you clench, you know. So when you're very angry, you do this. Or especially even in the gym, I have seen that जब आप weights करते हो, and if the capacity, the weight that you are lifting, it goes beyond the capacity, then you don't know, and you do this, and when you do this, you are irritating the upper facetal joints of neck. It can certainly damage. If you do it once, nahi hoga kuch, but if it is consistent, certainly it will leave an impact. Okay, so this is also mechanical. I will call it mechanical. But आज हम देखेंगे in depth what is a specific thought pattern related to neck. Okay, उससे पहले हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि neck हम यूज़ क्यों करते हैं लाइफ में, to look at both the sides. Okay, to look to this side, to look to this side. तो जब भी लाइफ में ऐसे सिचुएशन आता है when you don't want to look at the other side, when you don't want to look at the other side, when you don't want to look at the other side of a particular issue, um, a particular part, that is your neck will tell you. You will have neck pain. Also, Louise Hay says that all pain is guilt. So whenever, अब ये immediately conclude मत करना, but consider that first. Secondly, when we have resistance to look at the other side of an issue, see कोई हमारे गर्दन पे चाकू रख के हमसे कुछ नहीं करवाने वाला है. When we are okay, when you say that you are flowing with ease, you listen to the other side, and then you choose freely, and you choose freely, and you choose your actions freely. So it's life. We go through a lot of roller coaster. At times we choose to be focused, and hence we don't want to discuss certain things, but वहाँ negative emotion अगर नहीं है तो this is easy. But if you have everything, all the clutter inside, and you don't want to look at it, then your body is going to remind you कि you take that shit out. Okay, and what you have to do, it's just a thought, not people are the way they are, and we can still respect them for the way they are. But what about your own clutter in your own mind? So what we need to do is we need to let go, we need to practice forgiveness. and एक specific affirmation मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको, जिन्हें भी गर्दन की तकलीफ है, आप चाहे तो लिख लीजिए that it is easy for me to look at the other side of this issue, or it is getting easier for me day by day to look at the other side of this issue, or I am getting better at looking at all the sides of any particular situation that you feel that you are into, and I am flexible and flowing. At times stiffness आ जाता है. So stiffness is when you are stiff somewhere in your thoughts कि हमें दूसरी side नहीं सुननी है, नहीं समझनी है. So this also gets tightened. So सब कुछ सुनो, and then you choose freely. You have all the power to choose, and you can trust your choices. But first take away the resistance in thoughts. हम क्या करते हैं, हम उल्टा करते हैं. हम थॉट्स को वैसे ही चलने देते हैं क्योंकि कोई देखता नहीं है ना अंदर क्या चालू है, और हम बाहर फिक्सन चेंज करते हैं. हमें उल्टा करना है, बाहर के सिचुएशन को जैसे है वैसे रहने देना है. And you work inside, the outside circumstance will shift, I guarantee, provided you keep consistently. Let your subconscious believe. When your subconscious believes, it will show up. Okay, और जब आप करते हो कोई भी affirmation, make sure that you believe in your words first. So whenever you say that I'm flexible and flowing, and I look at the other side with ease, add some emotion into it. Don't say I look at the other side with this, I look at the other side with this. No, it is like, yeah, it's easy for me to look at the other side. It's getting easier for me to look at the other side, to look at all the sides. Okay, so मैं दूसरी साइड देखना, दूसरे की साइड सुनना मेरे लिए आसान होता जा रहा है, easy होता जा रहा है. And I'm flexible. So this is a very, very powerful key, I tell you. And let go of all the guilt, and just believe in this technology and practice this ongoingly. Initially आपको हो सकता है कि आपका सबकॉन्शियस रेजिस्ट करे, हो सकता है यू गो थ्रू अ टफ टाइम, आप एक करने जाती हो और वही चीज़ बढ़ जाती है. क्यों मैं बोलती हूँ, क्या होता है, I said that when you are not looking at the other side, you have this issue. At times, it's our wiring. हमें पूरा पास्ट पे हमारा फोकस चला जाता है, वो अदर साइड पे फोकस चला जाता है, वहाँ नेगेटिव इमोशंस ऐड हो जाती है, और जब भी होगी तो वो ब्लो अप करता है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू जस्ट नीड टू बी ईजी अबाउट एवरीथिंग. वंस यू आर ईजी अबाउट एवरीथिंग, जब आप उसको गलत इमोशंस से, नेगेटिव इमोशंस से, फील बैड इमोशंस से, लोअर इमोशंस से हवा नहीं दोगे ना, तो वो भड़केगा नहीं. जब आप रिलैक्स होके सिर्फ मैं जो बोल रही हूँ उतना ही करोगे, you will get results, because this is a very very powerful book. I have experienced, I've gone through all the phases, even the resistance phase, but टिके रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो मैंने किया, and now I am seeing very very powerful results. Okay, so read this book, learn more, and practice this one affirmation. It's easy for me to look at all the sides of this issue. Thank you and God bless. And yeah, you can also ये जो अफर्मेशन है ना, ये आप लिख के रख सकते हो, ये चैंट करके आप पानी पी सकते हो, एंड ये आप सोते समय बोलोगे तो इट इज़ गुड, उठते ही बोलोगे तो इट इज़ गुड. जैसे कुछ होता है मैंने बोला और इमीडिएटली यू नो द आउटसाइड सर्कमस्टेंस वुड बी एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. सो वॉट एवर इट इज़, मे बी आप नहीं देखना चाह रहे हो, यू नो, एंड फिर भी आप बोल रहे हो, सो देर इज सम कॉन्ट्रास्ट. सो इनिशियली यू जस्ट लुक इन टू द मिरर एंड टेल इट, लुक इन your own eyes and say this, repeat this n number of times. Practice this. अब बोते रहना, सी जो आप बोगे वही उगने वाला है. सो इमीडिएटली डोंट लुक फॉर रिजल्ट्स. Have patience, it will show up. And if you have any concerns anytime, you can just put it in the comment box, and I will try and support you in whatever way possible, best way possible. Okay, and also you can check out other videos for specific neck exercises and posture. Thank you, God bless. Remember to subscribe the channel and motivate us to do more videos, more useful videos for you all, and keep blessing and share this video. Thank you.